by ID. Int ID for optional by receive. Once again, yeah, receive employee is equal to find by ID. So after that, if receive product receive employee dot is present, then employee repository repository REPO repository dot delete receive employee will be deleted dot get the that return true. If it's deleted, return true, else false. Else return false. Yeah. So this is the this implementation inside the employer DAO class. Employer DAO class. We just implement the delete by ID. The boolean delete by ID, int ID. Yeah. Let's go to the service package to write the our logic. So go here and response entity, response structure, a string, string, delete by ID and int ID is here. Response structure string structure is equal to new response structure. Then we need a optional employee receive employee and provide employee is equal to uh, employee dot find by if it's fine if receive employee dot is urgent, then first of all employee dot delete by ID. After deleting is this, you have to print the message. For that, structure dot set message is equal to student delete by delete successfully, as you see successfully. Not the student, it's employee. Employee delete successfully, then the structure dot set data equal to get not then structure dot set status code is equal to HTTP status dot no content dot value, and also we need we have to return RETU return new response entity structure comma HTTP status dot no, and also what is not there, then row exception new employee not found exception, and write the message here, the employee not found. Okay, and the length here write this delete by RD. Copy this first one. We go to the controller package. Delete by ID. Control B. Return employee service dot delete. Yeah. Employee service delete by ID. Why will we getting this error? Because of here it will be not public. So that's why public should be there. And path variable. Path variable. Also we need a delete mapping. Then it's called a delete mapping. Value is equal to delete by ID. Also we need a ID here inside of curly braces. Okay, let's save it, run it. What we need to do just control. Sorry, here slash should be there. Slash delete by ID slash ID, and let's go to the postman. So here, what will be this? Delete mapping URL. Take anyone. Go to the here. Remove it. Control V slash control V. It's not a service, I think. Slash one. Okay, let's run this. Delete by ID. Here, see path. Here, two slashes there. That's why we will get this error. So let's check it here. See here, two slashes there. So remove one and run this. So always remember. So yeah, we will delete this data. Let's go to the our MySQL. should see the first one data will be deleted. Okay, that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to more project like this, just comment below and like and subscribe for the other videos.